Greetings, and welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. You think life rough now, don't? War about and famine and all kind of sitting and go on. But you know, say it go get worse though. Eh? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, make you not do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Luke chapter 21 from verse 5 to verse 33. Some people did a chat about the pretty stone them with pretty up God house and the heap of sitting where people give God for offering. When Jesus said, the time I go come when not even one stone I go left on top of one another. All of them I go get licked down. Them ask Jesus say, Teacher, and when all them sitting here go happen, what kind of sign we fi look for sure say they soon happen? Jesus said to them, say, watch out. No make nobody fool you up. Cause whole heap of people are going to use up my name and say, me a Christ and me God send for save people. And the time for Jesus come back, they near. No follow them. Anytime you hear about war and say government get turned over, no frighten. Them sitting here have to go on first. But the end now go come same time. Then Jesus tell them say, one set of people are go war against one next set of people. And one kingdom are go fight against one another kingdom. Big earthquake are go come. And all about food are go short. And all kind of sickness are go kill off people. Some terrible sitting are go come from heaven. And people are go afraid. Before all they sitting here happen, them are go grab you and deal with you bad. Them will take you and over to the leader them for the Jew them church and send you go prison. Them are carry you go in front of king and leader cause you follow me. This I go give you a chance to tell them the good news. No fret about how you go answer. Me will go the word them. So you will know how to answer. So none of the enemy them can't turn up against you or say you wrong. All mother, father, brother, family, and friend I go sell you out. And them all kill some of you. Everybody I go ear to know. Say how you follow me. But they can't touch no even one strand of ear upon no head. Who turn up strong for me, no matter what, we save them life. When time you see say soldiers surround Jerusalem, you fi know say destruction they near. Everybody in a Judea fi run go up in a mountain them. Who in a city fi come out And who they in a country, no fi come at the town. The time we write down when God a go punishing people would have done there. What a sitting in a them time there. For woman we have baby in a belly. And for mother we have young baby. People are go suffer bad in the land. And God a go punish them people. The enemy are go use sword kill off some of them. And take some of them turn prisoner a foreign. The people them we are not Jew are go rule over Jerusalem and make them suffer till for them time done. Sign are go the inner the sun, the moon, and the star them. On the earth, the people them we are not Jew are go twist and turn and not know what to do when they hear the sea a roar. People are going to catch them afraid and kill over because them all wonder what going to happen to the world. Because everything where they in the sky are going to get shake out of them place. Then them are going to see the man where God pick a come in a one cloud. And him are going to have power and one bright light a shine round him. When them sitting there start fi up, turn up straight and roll up on your head, cause the time for free uno soon come. Jesus tell them this too. Look upon the fig tree and all of the other tree them. Anytime they start grow leaf, uno know say summer soon come. So anytime uno see say all them sitting there happen, uno know say God kingdom soon come. Me I tell you this, and a true me attack. The people them from that time not dead till all of them sitting here happen. Heaven and earth not go about forever, but for me word I go last forever. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.